Okay, problem 11 reads, which of the following situations could be solved using the equation c over 3, c divided by 3, equals 12? The first answer choice says if you eat 3 dinners and each costs c dollars, so c is the cost of the dinner, how much will you pay for 12 dinners? So if you're trying to find out how much you pay for 12 dinners, it would be 12 times the cost, or 12c. So we're not multiplying c times 12 in our equation, so it's not answer choice A. B says if 1/3 of the cost of a dinner is $12, how much is the cost of the dinner? So one third of the cost is 1/3 times the cost, or times c, or the same as taking c and dividing it by 3. And they say that is $12, so that equals $12. So there's our answer choice B. Another way to make sure you get this right is let's take our equation and find out what c equals. C over 3 equals 12. Right now we're dividing c by 3, so what's the opposite of dividing by 3? Multiply by 3. 3 over 3 cancels, and we get c equals 12 times 3 is 36. So 1/3 of the cost, 1/3 of 36 is $12. That's true. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And you can just put 36 in for the cost in these other answer choices just to further confirm that they're not the correct one. Okay, problem 12 on your review packet. An average adult elephant weighs 20,000 pounds. A giant sequoia weighs 180 times that amount. About how much does a giant sequoia tree weigh? So we have the weight of the elephant, 20,000 times 180. And there's no real good way to do this other than just do it. I mean, well, I take that back. Well, we're going to learn scientific notation later after the STAR test, and there's some ways of estimating, but let's just multiply this out and see what we get. These are all zeros. When I'm multiplying by the 8, I'm really multiplying by 80, so I start with a 0, and then 0 times 8 is 0, 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 and 2 times 8 is 16. When I'm multiplying by the 1, I'm really multiplying by 100, so I start with 2 zeros. 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, and 0 times 1 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2. Add those up and we get 6 and 3. And let's put our commas in there, 3,600,000 pounds. Try to do it a little neater than I did and keep everything lined up. And just be real careful. You keep track of all those zeros and you'll get 3,600,000 pounds. Okay, I'm going to complete I think the last question is a little bit long, so I'm going to actually do that on a separate video, and that will complete the review with problem 13 on the next video.